When you install Google Chrome for the first time, the Home button is not shown by default. The Home button can be useful if you want to quickly open a specific page, like Google Search, with just one click. To show it, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Then go to Settings. From the side menu, click Appearance. Now turn on Show Home button. Once you enable it, you'll see the Home icon appear next to the address bar. At this point, we've shown the Home button, but we still need to choose what it opens when we click it. Here, you have two options. The first option makes the Home button open a new tab page. The second option lets you choose a specific page. In this example, we'll choose the second option. Then, enter the website address. For example, you can type google.com. Now, when you click the Home button, it will open Google directly. But if you want Google to open automatically every time you start Chrome, that's a different setting. From the Settings page, click On Startup from the side menu. Then choose Open a specific page or set of pages. Click Add a new page, enter the website address, then click Add. Now, every time you open Google Chrome, Google will open automatically. That's it. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel.